All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a different TI calculator. This is a 30XS, in case you have that, to do these calculations instead of by hand, but using the calculator. So anyway, what we're going to do here is we're going to add these two latitudes together, and that's going to tell us what our change in latitude is. So this is how I'm going to do this. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to hit 4, and then what I'm interested in is this angle in green. So I'm going to hit second and angle. Now, 4 degrees, so it's already degrees, so I'm going to say yes. I'm going to hit enter. Okay, now I'm going to enter 37.3. 37.3. I'm going to hit second, and I'm going to click on this button again, but now I want the minutes, so I'm going to arrow down using these keys over here, arrow down, and then I'm going to hit enter. Now I'm set. Then my operation is to add, so I'm going to press add. Now I'm going to add in 3, second. All right, it's degrees, enter. Now I'm going to apply the, put in the 53.6, second, angle, arrow down, minutes, enter. And now when I'm done, I got everything plugged in there, then I just hit enter again. All right, and I got 8.515 degrees. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to strip the, I want this in degrees. This is in degrees, decimal degrees. I want it in degrees, minutes. So I'm going to strip the degrees off by subtracting. So whatever that value is, it's 8. I'm going to strip that off by subtracting 8. And now I'm left with my decimal degrees. So now I'm going to multiply that by 60, and that will be minutes. Times 60, enter, and 30.9. So there is 830.9. That's that one. So I'll do this one over here as just a second example since it's minus, but it's the same basic process. So let me clear. Where's clear on this thing? Clear, here it is. Okay, great. 41 degrees, second, angle, yeah, great, enter. 41.7, 41.7, second, arrow down, second, PRB, arrow down to get my minutes, enter, okay. And now I'm going to subtract, no problem, minus 38, second, angle, that's degrees, so I'm happy, enter, 21.3, 21.3, second, angle, arrow down, enter, I got my value in there, so now I just hit enter, and it's 3.34 degrees. Now I strip the 3 degrees off. Okay, because I need this. This is in degrees, decimal degrees. I need it in degrees, minutes. So I'm going to strip my degrees off. So I just have my minutes, my decimal. I'm going to multiply that by 60. And voila, 20.4.